8:41 is the time this morning. The deadline to file your taxes is, of course, tomorrow. And if you've waited to the last minute to take care of it, we've got some expert advice for you that could help you out. Joining us this morning is accountant Stephen Warren. Good morning.
Good morning.
So folks got a little extra reprieve, a couple extra days this year. The deadline is tomorrow at midnight. If you haven't done your taxes yet, well, you should be getting on it. But is there a way to save money if you do?
There still is. For some people, at least, if you have a health savings account, your deadline for making a fully deductible contribution is tomorrow. If you're eligible to contribute to a deductible IRA, the deadline for that also tomorrow. And even better, if you're a small business owner who can contribute to a small business retirement plan like a SEP IRA or simple IRA, if you extend your returns, you get until October 17th, both to file and make that deductible contribution.
So really the way to save money at this point would be kind of moving the money around into the right places where you can get those deductions.
Some people can do that, yeah.
Okay. And extensions. If you're sitting here and you haven't started your taxes, you feel like I'm never going to be done with this by tomorrow, how do you file an extension and who's really eligible for that?
Anyone is eligible to get an extension, and the way to go about it for your federal tax return, file Form 4868 with the IRS. That doubles as a payment voucher if you owe anything. For Minnesota, in most states, you don't have to file a separate extension, but you still have to pay what you owe because extensions only extend the time to file and not the time to pay.
Any other reason for maybe getting an extension?
Well, some people don't have all the documents that they need to file complete tax returns. And for a lot of people, quite frankly, just life getting in the way of a not-so-fun task. So you're better off extending rather than filing an incomplete or inaccurate return.
A lot of people are still, I know a lot of people were waiting for maybe the health insurance forms. Those were taking a little bit of time by companies to get to you at the last minute. So if you're still filing today into tomorrow, what are the last minute advice tips that you have for somebody if they go, I still want to get it done and get it in the mail by tomorrow?
Well, do your best to make sure that it is complete and accurate because, as I mentioned, I think you might be better off extending to making sure that it is what it needs to be.
All right, Stephen, thanks for coming in this morning. I know a lot of people out there are probably sitting there, maybe they're doing their taxes while they're watching this morning. They got to get them done. The post office is extending its hours tomorrow to accommodate those still needing to mail in their taxes. We posted information about that, locations on our website at KSTP.com. Brandy?